Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly maintain a healthy weight while others struggle? It's not just about willpower or discipline. The key lies in understanding the powerful connection between your mind and body. This connection is the foundation of sustainable weight loss. When you nourish your mind with positive thoughts and beliefs, your body responds in amazing ways. Stress melts away, cravings diminish, and you naturally gravitate towards healthier choices. This isn't magic, it's science. Your thoughts trigger chemical reactions that directly impact your metabolism, hunger hormones, and even your fat storage. But here's the catch: the mind-body connection works both ways. Negative thoughts and self-doubt can sabotage your weight loss efforts. They create a vicious cycle of stress, cravings, and weight gain. That's why it's crucial to address the root cause of unhealthy habits, your mindset. By harnessing the power of your mind, you can unlock your body's incredible ability to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. This journey starts with recognizing that your thoughts have power and that you can choose to think differently. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey with me? Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on transforming your mind and body. Let's take this journey together. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of your mind. Imagine your mind as an iceberg. The conscious mind, the part you're aware of, is just the tip. The vast majority, the subconscious, lies beneath the surface. This hidden realm is where your habits, beliefs, and automatic responses reside. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful. It's shaped by your experiences, memories, and even the messages you've absorbed throughout your life. The problem is, many of these subconscious programs are outdated and no longer serve you. They can lead to self-sabotaging behaviors, especially when it comes to food and weight. Have you ever wondered why you crave sugary snacks when you're stressed? Or why you overeat even when you're not hungry? These are often driven by subconscious patterns linked to emotional eating or comfort seeking. The good news is you can reprogram your subconscious mind. By identifying and changing these limiting beliefs, you can create new, empowering habits that support your weight loss goals. Remember, your subconscious mind is like fertile ground. Whatever seeds you plant, positive or negative, will take root and grow. Choose your thoughts wisely. Now that you understand the power of your subconscious mind, let's explore how to reprogram it for lasting weight loss. The key is to shift your mindset from one of deprivation and self-criticism to one of self-love, abundance, and empowerment. This might sound simple, but it requires conscious effort and consistent practice. Start by becoming aware of your inner dialogue. What are you telling yourself about food, your body, and your ability to lose weight? Are these thoughts supportive or self-defeating? If you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, gently challenge them. Replace them with positive affirmations and empowering beliefs. For example, instead of saying, "I'll never lose weight," try saying, "I am committed to making healthy choices that nourish my body." Instead of focusing on limitations, shift your attention to what you can control: your actions, your thoughts, and your beliefs. Remember, every time you choose a healthy meal or engage in physical activity, you're reinforcing positive neural pathways in your brain. You're literally rewiring your mind for success. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on transforming your mind and body. Section 4. Visualization: painting your path to success. Visualization is a powerful technique that can accelerate your weight loss journey. It involves creating a clear mental picture of yourself at your desired weight, living a healthy and fulfilling life. When you visualize, you're not just daydreaming, you're engaging your subconscious mind and programming it for success. Find a quiet space where you can relax and close your eyes. Imagine yourself at your ideal weight. See yourself moving with ease and confidence. Feel the joy and pride radiating from within. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Make it a regular practice, visualizing yourself at your goal weight every day, even for just a few minutes. As you consistently visualize your desired outcome, you'll start to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your vision. You'll naturally make healthier choices and attract opportunities that support your weight loss goals. Section 5. Affirmations: the power of positive self-talk. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to challenge negative thoughts and reprogram your subconscious mind. They are like seeds that you plant in the fertile ground of your mind. With consistent watering and nurturing, these seeds will grow into powerful beliefs that shape your reality. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and that address your specific weight loss goals. For example, you might say, I am worthy of love and respect, exactly as I am. I am committed to nourishing my body with healthy foods. I am strong, capable, and in control of my choices. Write your affirmations down and place them where you'll see them daily, on your bathroom mirror, refrigerator, or vision board. Repeat them out loud with conviction, feeling the truth of each word. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more deeply they'll be ingrained in your subconscious mind. Remember, your mind believes what you tell it most often. Choose to feed it with empowering and uplifting messages. Section 6. Real Transformation Stories of Triumph Over Weight. The principles we've discussed are not just theoretical concepts, they've transformed countless lives. Let's hear from real people who've successfully used the power of their minds to achieve lasting weight loss. Sarah, a busy mother of two, struggled with emotional eating for years. By practicing mindfulness and identifying her triggers, she was able to break free from her unhealthy habits and lose over 50 pounds. She now enjoys cooking healthy meals with her children and feels more confident and energized than ever. John, a former athlete, gained weight after an injury left him feeling defeated. He turned to visualization and affirmations to rebuild his self-belief and motivation. He started small, setting realistic goals and celebrating his progress along the way. Today, he's back to running marathons and inspiring others with his story. These stories and countless others demonstrate that lasting weight loss is possible when you address both your mind and body. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes, cultivating self-love, and believing in your ability to create the healthy and fulfilling life you deserve. Section 7. Embark on your journey, a call to action. Congratulations, you've taken a significant step towards transforming your relationship with food, your body, and yourself. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Start by incorporating just one or two of the techniques we've discussed into your daily routine. Practice mindfulness, visualize your success, repeat your affirmations, or connect with others on a similar journey. Remember, consistency is key. Small, consistent actions create extraordinary results over time. If you've struggled with weight loss in the past, don't give up. This time you have a powerful ally on your side, your mind. By harnessing the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and visualizations, you can achieve lasting weight loss and create a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life for yourself. Are you ready to embrace the transformative power of the mind-body connection? The journey starts now. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Your support means a lot to us. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your wellness journey.